Hello, friends. Welcome to Sil Sunshine Yoga. Take care of your health and mind today. I promise it'll take care of you for the rest of your life. Practice yoga and meditation on a daily basis. You will find wonders in your life happening. This is a 10 minutes yoga session. Let's begin. Today's session, let's begin with cat and camel position. This is a very powerful yoga posture to take care of your lower back. With inhalation, look up. Exhale and come down. Inhale, arch your back, look up. And exhale. Inhale, up. With exhalation, come down. Inhale and up. Exhale, arch your back, come down. Now let's do alternate hand and leg raising. Right hand, left leg, left hand, right leg. This yoga posture is very good for your spine. It strengthens the lower back and the entire spine. Keep repeating this process a few rounds. Up with inhalation and relax. Next, hands by the side of your chest in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, center. Inhale, hands up. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now, straighten your hands. Front. Let's do a wrist rotation. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. One more time. By the side now. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. It strengthens your hand. The nerves get activated. Next, let's come to downward dog. Now, just keep doing some march, right leg up with inhalation. With exhalation, bring your leg in between your hands, hands up, look up, back. Right leg back to downward dog. Same thing. Inhale, left leg up. With exhalation, bring it down, forward. Inhale, put the hands up. And with exhalation, downward dog. Let's repeat the process. Right leg up, in between your hands, hands up, look up. Down and down, downward dog, left leg up, and in between your hands, take your hands up, hands down, downward dog. One more time, right leg up and back to the center, with both hands up, look up, come back. Left leg. In between your hands, take your hands up, look up. Come down to downward dog. Just straighten your right leg and try to touch your head to the knee. Stay there for some time. Head up and take your leg back. Same thing, switch your leg. Left leg, knee straight. Try to touch your head to the knee. Again, leg back to downward dog. Let's repeat the process. A very good exercise for flexibility. Head up, leg back. Left leg straighten in between your hands. Try to touch your head to the knee. Head up and leg back. Repeat the process on the right side. Back. Left side. Try to touch your head to the knee. Don't push yourself too hard. Relax for a while. Let's come to child's pose. Relax for a few counts of breath. Inhale and exhale. Up. Now, let's lie down on your chest. Now, take your hands by the side and upper body up with the support of your hands. Down. Up, inhalation, and down, exhalation. Up. Arch your back and down. Now, take both the hands in between your chin. Yes. And with the support of your hands, look up. And exhale and come down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, come down. This exercise takes care of your belly fat as well. Up and down. Now, take both the hands back and with the support of your hand, hold your leg and try to pull forward. When you look up, inhale. When you look down, come down, exhale. And relax now. Just lie down on your back. Just relax for a while. Relax yourself. Now slowly come up. Sit down and relax. Straighten your leg. Hands up and try to touch your toe with the hand. Come down with exhalation. Try to touch your head to the knee. No forceful touch. As much as you can. If you cannot touch your toe with your hand, wherever you can, just adjust yourself. Inhale up and exhale down. Just relax. Now sit down in any comfortable position. As we come to the end of this session, as we come to the end of this beautiful yoga session, just close your eyes and dive inward. Inhale and exhale. Such a wonderful feeling. With this experience, we grow on a daily basis. Thank yourself for the moment you have shared today with your mat. Such a beautiful feeling. Relax yourself. And as we end the session, rub your hands, generate the heat, give a massage to your face. Slowly you can open your eyes. Thank you. Have a good day.